What will happen if you see a bank in your dream? If the bank cash counter is without a customer, or even if it is without a cashier, then this dream indicates that you are going to face a major loss in your business. To dream that you are depositing gold or money in bank, then it is an indication that you are very careless in your private matters. If you dream that you are withdrawing money or gold from your bank, then it is an indication that in near future you will have lot of money, peace and prosperity. To dream that there is a lot of money or silver coins. This dream says that your wealth will increase rapidly, as well as you will gain a lot of respect in your friends, family and society.
Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. In this case, you will get the latest information about our new videos. Thank you very much.